What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I had a really good weekend. I just want to talk to you guys just a little bit. I had a really good weekend. We took my son to the pumpkin patch and then picked up some pumpkins. He went down a slide. Y'all, I gotta show you guys, like, he went down this big old like inflatable slide thing for the first time like ever with my husband, and I'll insert like a video and then maybe the image, but his face, poor thing, he looked so scared and stuff, and I was like, oh no, poor thing. But it seemed like he wanted to do it again after he went down the slide, but he had a good time. And then yesterday, Sunday, we ended up going to downtown LA, and it's called Smorgasburg. I think that's what you call it. I don't know. I'm probably just butchering the whole thing. But they have this event every Sunday from, oh my gosh, I think it's from like either 10 to 4 or 11 to 4, or it could be later. I don't remember. But they have a whole bunch of vendors and a whole bunch of like food trucks and stuff, so you can try a whole bunch of different things. So yeah, I want to take you guys along, but I want to show you a few things that I kind of a quick little haul thing. Now I'll start off, I did try this outfit that I had showed you guys last time. I ended up keeping it. This is what it looks like. It has like a little cutout on the side and stuff, but in the crotch area it's still like kind of like tight kind of. So I don't know if I like wear it around that it will kind of loosen up a little bit more and stuff. To H&M, and usually they always have like at least at my H&M they always have like a sale rack and stuff. And I found some cute like faux leather pants and stuff. They're a little bit too long for me, but so they kind of scrunch up at the bottom, but that's okay. But they fit like this thigh area, and the waist fits really nice on me. So I got this on sale for $10.99. So check out your H&M to see like what you can find and stuff, because I think this was originally like $24. So I got this for 10 bucks. So that was awesome. And it's really great quality and stuff. Like, I really like it. The size I got was an extra small. So, yeah, I really like it. So, yeah, that was it. I'm going to go ahead and roll this B-roll for you guys where we went to Smorgasburg and stuff. We had a really good time, and the food was fire. So, let's go ahead and roll the clip.
It's gonna be your shit, I know. It's like I can't do no wrong, I know. You gon' put this on repeat, I know. It's gonna be your type of shit, I know. Even when you're not here, you get all of my time. Sweeter than a number 9 with a large sunrise. Every nigga in your past with the crossfire. Now I'm shooting to your crib like it was a drive-by. I can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings even if I try. You stay on my mind.
Alright. I wish I could get like a little stand thing that could just like stay up here, that like clamps on, you know? That'd be perfect. We're at Smorgasburg. I don't know if that's how you say it, but let's see what food they got. Smorgasburg. Okay, ATM's right here. flower stuff with that.
So,
The flowers that I want. I have to spend out of more, you know, out of pocket, but
yeah, I don't think we'll 2, 3 hours.
No.
We're not gonna eat like every place and then just
I think they might.
oh, there has to be somewhere that got out.
Yeah. I want to find that girl. What's that? Are you seeing her cotton candy? I think it's what it's called.
Okay.
But we can check that out because yeah.
Over here?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if her book was like pink or something. I don't know.
You got it
Might
on
be.
IG? You got it up?
Yeah, I have her. So I'm recording.
called?
I think sweet peony.
Sweet what?
Peony. It's a type of flower.
We'll walk this way. I'll come back.
Okay.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Just to see. Fine.
Okay.
You wanna help
Oh,
me
it might
find
be
this
over there. I
thing?
see Pompous. I see big Pompous. I'm on a mission, you guys. See all that Pompous grass. Ah, here it is. Finally. Huh?
Walk around.
What do you mean? We're on the right side.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. This is what I want right here.
I was gonna carry these
Yeah.
around.
Huh?
You just want to buy
No,
them?
she wraps it up and then
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Hey, we're gonna check out the bill card, man.
All right.
Let me know if you need cash.
Look this. Can you hold it? It's $15 for one. Three for 45.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And then you can make your own bouquet stuff.
So one is 15, but 3 for 45. That's the same amount, 15 plus.
Yeah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
And then I'll like
You
get it
must
every
be
day.
made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, shuffling, difficult.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I don't know why you love me.
Yummy? Yeah.
The bird? You see birdies?
Okay. With the ketchup face, boy.
Trevel.
Yeah, you got ketchup on your face.
Oh yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, I see it.
You can see the Hollywood sign.
Wow.
To the right.
I never seen that actually.
Oh, you haven't been to Hollywood?
Never.
Oh.
We tried to come to see, but we got lost.
Well, we haven't went to the sign. We just go to Hollywood and you can see the sign from
We go to the mall normally.
Yeah, if you go to the Hollywood Mall, then you can see it.
Hello. I really like this color. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. So anyways, enough about my outfit. But you guys had seen the clip of me going to the spot, a vendor called Sweet Peony. She was super sweet. What I really love about her booth was it was very unique, where you can actually pick out your pampas grass and then pick out little dried florals and put your bouquet together. So she had like some pieces where it was like 3 for $1, or I think there was one for like maybe 50 cents. So I have some really pretty dried floral arrangements on here. She even had actual lavender, so that's real lavender. It smells so freaking good, you guys. Like it's so, oh, it smells so good. So, and just look how long the stem is. She did say I can like cut them and stuff, Okay, so what I'm gonna do is look for a taller vase for these. So I might have to go to the thrift store. I kind of want to go thrifting and find a tall vase and then just paint it if I don't like what the vase, you know, looks like and stuff. And I kind of want to put it either right here or like closer to my mirror. And then I seen at Home Goods, Home Goods had a chair, but it's like I think it's called boucle. I think that's the material of it. And it was just really, really nice. So hopefully they'll have it within like a month or so, and maybe we'll see if I get it and stuff. Maybe it'll be a birthday present. I don't know. But yeah, because my birthday is in November. So yeah, Scorpio baby right here. But yeah, so I think it would look really nice in this area, that boucle chair and stuff. And I'll probably either just move this a little bit over or just like swap it with a vase. I don't know. But I think this whole area will become like a vibe, you know. So let me zoom out a little bit more. Yeah, so I think it will become like a vibe. Like, I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like without the you know, it being like wrapped and sealed and stuff. So I gotta take that out, probably put it in the sun a little bit so it can fluff up. But yeah, they're so pretty. I just need to find a big vase and stuff. So that's the other thing I am looking for. And then, so yeah, the next thing I also want to try to get is a new mirror. I was thinking about putting this mirror in the spare bedroom and stuff. So we might move it in there. The other mirror that I want, it goes up. I don't think it's as tall as this one, but it goes up and it kind of rounds out. And it has a gold trimming, so I also think that will go with everything on here, because like, I know it's a small detailing and stuff, but like this has gold hardware on it and stuff. And you know, I think it'll go with the neutral tones that I have kind of going on this side. And eventually maybe I'll get a new rug, but this is what I have for now, which I found this at Ross for like 20 bucks. So but yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's kind of quick vlog and stuff, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys went to Smorgasburg before, if you're in the LA area, let your girl know. Did you enjoy it? Would you want to go? Something you'd be interested in. But I really just went to go get the dried flowers because she doesn't ship at the moment. But I will put her Instagram handle down below if you guys want to go support her Instagram. She has really pretty dried florals and just like little bouquets that you can put together. And I thought it was like, it's like a perfect idea to sell dried florals because everybody's into that stuff, you know. So anyways, let me go ahead and stop rambling. I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to go ahead and hit that notification bell right down below, that way when I'm posting my videos, you guys are notified and you can keep up with your girl. But yeah, I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.